what I had left in my mouth between the root canals and the crowns were failing one by one. I really couldn't just do half of it. So Dr. Kazmer suggested that I do the All-On-4 implants, where you do get the implants put in and then the crowns would go on top of the implants and replace all of your individual crowns. So implants go into the jawbone and allow the bone to grow around it again, which keeps your bone density there. It's a permanent solution to something. Instead of having removable bridges between teeth and having to go back and fix the other crowns and all, this is a permanent solution where it's done one time and then that's it. I'm good. Dr. Kazmer himself, definitely. His staff has always been very supportive and polite. His confident demeanor and the way he explains everything to you, what's going to be done, and actually he's got all the latest equipment you can think of. So it just, he makes you feel at ease. The hygienist is great. She understands what's going on and what I need to have done, and she makes you feel at ease. When you're getting your work performed, his assistants are great. They're there with you all the time. They ask you how you're doing. So it's a whole team effort. It's really good.